Okay, so here we go. We are going to move our Hire the Web School website from hiretheweb.org/learn to hiretheweb.org/school. I installed it in the wrong folder, so we're gonna move it to a different folder. You can follow along. I have a document here called Move WordPress Website that I am using right now to do this work. And if you want to grab that real quick to follow along yourself, just text Hire the Web to 31996, reply with your email address, and that document will be sent to you right now. Okay, let's get started. So the first step, it says to back up the current WordPress installation. Well, I did that already to save a little bit of time, and I did that with a plugin called Updraft Plus. And Updraft Plus is right there. I did a backup a couple of days ago, and nothing really has happened to this web page, so that backup is good enough. Now, the next step says to tell WordPress that it is moving. So it says to go to the general settings, go to general, and I need to tell it that it's going to be school instead of learn. So there we go. Then we scroll down and we save that change. Now I need to go to cPanel of this website, which would be, cPanel. That is the where this site is actually hosted, and go into the back end, and to log in there is it's just okay. So we're in there, and that will depend on where your website is hosted. Okay, and step 3, move files in cPanel. So I need to go into File Manager and public.html, and this is the folder we're moving. And we want to just change. It gives you two options here. Either you can change the name or move it. I'm just going to rename it and see if that does what we want. So let's just rename that to school. Now that should have broken our website pretty darn good right there. So we probably won't be able to get in there. Okay, so let's go see. Okay. So we effectively moved it, but what's probably happening, well, that seems to be still there. Let's see, copy image address. Yeah, see, it's still pointing to the old WP content. So what we're going to do is do the next step that it says, which is, let's see if we can log in here. And get back get back into the dashboard, because now we need to fix that broken link. And how we do that is we need a plugin. So the plugin that we're going to look for is called Update URLs. Search for that. This is the one here, so we'll just install that. And activate it. And that should be under settings. Install plugins. And update permalink settings, update URLs. Okay. So let's just go to edit right here. No, I don't want to edit the files. It says to go to settings, update URL. Okay, I am not seeing that. Okay, let's see if we can find it. Let's back up. Installed appearance, plugins. Okay. Wow, it's not under settings. I'm going to have to change that in document. See, this is why we do this. It's under tools. There we go, right there. We don't want to change this code because that's going to change the way it behaves. So let's do our hiretheweb.org. Let's see what our URL looked like before. Let's go get like little Faith here. Copy image address. So right now the image address looks like this. So we're going to put that inside wherever I was. Okay, I guess I can just go back. All right, so we're going to put that inside of here, and we're going to do it again and change that to school. Okay. URLs and page contents, excerpts, links, attachments. Okay. That looks like it to me. Okay, there we go. I don't know what this is saying. Never ever change the contents under any circumstances. Okay. I can do that. For posts. I don't really have any posts, do I? Let's see. I don't think so. No, just that one default one. So I don't know what it's talking about. So we're going to leave that be. All right, so we're going to go. All this other stuff looks pretty harmless to me. We can always reinstall the website if we have to. For posts, I'm going to click it. I don't know. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Please enter values for both the old and the new. Oh. Learn and school. Right? That's what we want. And we said we was going to do all of these because we live dangerously. Update. Now it says success. Your URLs have been updated. 20 content items, post pages, custom post types, revisions, no excerpts, no links, 14 attachments, 16 custom fields, and 70 GUIDs. I don't know what a GUIDs is. Okay, well, anyway, apparently, let's go here. This looks fine to me. Let's check on Faith's URL now. Let's copy image address and go stick it in a new tab. Oh, it still says learn. Right? Oh, no. Let's go back. Copy image address. Well, that seems to be working, even though I really expected that to be moved. Well, this is working. hiretheweb.org school. Maybe I need to log out and let it refresh or something. Maybe it's in my cache. So I will go, if I do shift, if I hold down shift and do F5, that should refresh my cache. So now let's look at her copy image address. There we go. That's right. It should be school. See, it is school. My cache was just not updated. So that seems to be it. We have effectively moved this website to hiretheweb.org/school. Yay, my document worked. So now I am going to go and change that one little error that we found, that it shouldn't be settings. It should be, we found it under tools. Okay? Okay. Happy webbing.